Hey guys, welcome to my channel Karnika's Creative DIY. Today I'll be sharing with you a project which is very close to my heart, a scrapbook for my boys. This project takes a lot of love, care and patience, but trust me, the end results are so heartwarming and will be with you years to come. So let's get started.
Step 1. The theme. Decide a theme for your scrapbook. What do you want to see in the scrapbook? It can be a specific year, a specific party, birthday, anniversary, wedding party, one specific vacation, or a vacation themed scrapbook. For me, it was Bond of Brothers. Step 2. Your vision. Having an insight for how do you want to preserve these memories. I would highly suggest you to make a Pinterest board to see what you like and how you want to execute it. What type of book you want to use. A scrapbook can be as easy as ready to use, just add picture scrapbook, or it can be a beautiful piece of art on carefully planned and detailed with mixed media. Then, what size to be used? Regular A4 or 12 by 12 or 8 by 8, they have all sorts of options available. You can even use a 3-ring album with page protectors. Also, what type of sheets, colors, and patterns. The more you put your mind at this step, the better prepared you are. For my project, I used ready-made scrapbook album. It contained one 12 by 12 inch bound album and 10 sheet protectors. Each protector takes 2 sheets, giving me 20 display sheets. Step 3. The layout. Deciding the placement of pictures and text. At this step, you can decide the overall layout, the details on each and every page. This is where your creativity comes in. You can decide how to narrate your story using pictures, words, and quotes. Some people like to plan all the fine details at this step. Which picture goes where, the text to go with it. But my vision gave me the flexibility to go with the flow and experiment with various sizes of pictures. I did use quotes for the moments captured, but the pictures told the story I wanted to tell in my scrapbook. Step 4. Photos. Photos are the most important part of your scrapbook pages. Choose the pictures according to your theme. If your theme requires pictures from various sources and from previous years, I suggest make a separate album and start from there. Then, the size you want to use. The vision and the layout usually help to decide. They can be standard 4 by 6, 5 by 7, or smaller sizes in the form of collage. For my scrapbook, I wanted the collage of different sizes, so I used the inbuilt collage app in my phone. If you don't have an app for that, you can download free ones, like PicMonkey. The pictures do take a lot of time, but make it a beautiful nostalgic experience to go through all the memories and remember to have fun. Step 4. Execution. Once you are ready with your pictures and basic layout, you start with the fun part, putting all things together. With my layout planning, I knew which pictures went to which page, but with different sizes, I had to put things around to see the display that worked best for me. Here is my journey to make my scrapbook. Tag along.
If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.